On the occasion of World Tourism Day, let's embark on a journey to discover the enchanting beauty of Pakistan. Let's delve into the enchanting beauty of Pakistan's northern areas, a region that unfolds like a fairy tale landscape carved by nature's hand. Azad Kashmir is renowned for its stunning landscapes. Towering mountains, lush green valleys, pristine lakes, and meandering rivers define its terrain. Tourists come to Deosai to experience its breathtaking vistas, witness its diverse wildlife, and immerse themselves in the serene and unspoiled environment. Fairy Meadows, a remote alpine paradise, enchants visitors with its emerald meadows and panoramic views of the majestic Nanga Parbat. Naran Valley is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, making it a popular destination for tourists and nature enthusiasts. Another renowned tourist destination is Murree, a captivating realm of natural beauty. To go further in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to get future notifications. Let's explore some of Punjab's historical monuments that also serve as major attractions for tourists. Badshahi Mosque, Minar-e-Pakistan, Masjid Wazir Khan. The enchanting region of Sindh is characterized by its predominant coastal presence, boasting a picturesque coastline adorned with stunning beaches and seascapes. The coastal areas of Sindh are a prominent feature of the region's landscape, offering visitors the allure of the Arabian Sea's pristine waters and sandy shores. Sunari Beach, Turtle Beach, Hawke's Bay, Kund Mali, Sand Spit, Mubarak Village are some of the famous tourist spots. Happy Tourism Day!